Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hamid and I am the product head of PayPeople and Ujur. Today, the main purpose of our video is to tell you that how can you integrate your biometric ZKTeco device with PayPeople and Ujur. Simply, you need to go into the integration section. There, you can see an option ZKTeco. Simply, you need to connect your ZKTeco here. Simply click on connect. Here you can see an option create a new. Click on create a new. Here you need to enter your location. Like I enter location Riyadh. Then I need to enter my static or public IP which I already mapped on my ZKTeco biometric device. Simply I enter my ZKTeco device. Then I enter my port number 4370 in the case of ZKTeco biometric machine. Then I enter my ZKTeco machine password. Then system asks me that which way you want to use, either system generated code or employee code. What is the difference between system generated code and the employee code? System generated code are the code which you take from the Ujur or from the PayPeople, and then you simply put that code into the ZKTeco biometric machine against every employee. And the employee code are the codes which you take from the biometric ZKTeco machine and you put that into the Ujur or into the PayPeople against every employee. So right now I am choosing employee code. Then simply I click on verify and system will verify my device within few seconds if my device is connected to internet. Then I simply click on add and my device will be added, and here you can see the status as verified. So what is the employee code and what is the system generated code, and how can you enter or set it down into the Ujur and into the PayPeople? So you need to go into the employee section. Here you can see that you can click on any individual employee. On the upper right side there is an option for edit. You simply click on edit, then you can click on official. In the official there is there is a category available, identities. In the identities I have an option employee code. Here you simply need to enter your employee code which you take from the biometric PayPeople, biometric ZKTeco, and you simply need to put it into the PayPeople or into the Ujur. So just simply as in the case of Mr. Ghulam Yazdani, the employee code in the biometric machine is 75. I just simply enter the 75 here and then simply click on save. And Mr. Ghulam Yazdani is now successfully connected with biometric device ZKTeco. And what if I use ZKTeco system generated code? Then I need to connect with employee ID, which is system generated code. So I need to enter my system generated employee ID. I take it from the PayPeople and simply enter it into the ZKTeco biometric machine. Then my machine will be checked which employee ID is one or which employee ID is whatever you enter against that employee. So this is a way you can easily integrate your PayPeople or Ujur with ZKTeco biometric machine. If there is any question or you need any help, so you can simply comment us in the comment section box, or you can simply find us on support@paypeople.pk or support@ujur.net, or you can write us on sales@bioletica.com. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.